Alright, so this is going to be a different video than what I usually do. I'm just going to show you guys about how I use my steel stick here. We need to fill this in. See right here, that's going to give us a boost leak. So we're just going to go ahead and use some steel stick in here. It's probably one of my favorite putty type epoxies, like an instant JB Weld. I'm not really sure how you want to look at it. First thing I do is get that off. Let's get rolled up somewhere. There it is. Okay. So I unroll it a little bit. Take my knife. Make sure you cut it right down the middle. And rather than play with it, I roll it right back up. Okay, push the ends of this stuff down so it's nice and sealed. Put your little cap in there or whatever if it matters. Put it away. Okay, always put it away. And then you're just going to work it in your hands. It's already starting to get warm, like hot, very warm to the touch. It's crucial that we knead it in as quickly as possible. Knead it together. Alright, we're starting to get one color rather than two. It starts to kind of look the color of the gloves. The irony there. And then we'll start to work it where we need it at. Alright, that looks good enough for me. Nice and mixed together. So the beauty about this stuff is if you work it while you have a chance. Yeah, see. Okay. I get it a little bit smaller than that. Alright. The beauty is that it's very sandable, workable, malleable at the moment, but once it hardens it becomes every bit as strong as this aluminum or, you know, the steel name that it has. As you can see at the moment, it still comes apart really easily. It's really tacky on the gloves. We can come to our bottom side here, get it nice and pushed in. Got a screwdriver I'm going to use. Alright, starting to get a lot harder. We're going to go ahead and get it into position as best as we can to where we want it. As you can see, it does clean up very easily. I don't know if my hat's in the way or not. Sorry if it was. Okay. Alright, looking good. Good. I'll take this guy here this work just fine. It's nice and hard. I'm not worried about it getting in the threads of this here. Very, very much adhering to itself. Yeah, I'll deal with what happens later when I need to take this off. Thankfully, where I'm pushing at here isn't going to be anywhere that I'm really worried about. If we need to, we can take the gaskets out and shave it down. And just like that, it's already hard. That's what she said. You see up here, starting to harden. Push any air out that may be in there. And that's that. I'll go ahead and let it dry. Only takes a few minutes, and then it's sandable. So we're gonna go ahead and let this cure. I think it's supposed to cure for about an hour. Peel back. Alright, we're gonna give it some time anyways. It's already rock hard though. There you have it. Our part's all nice and sealed up there. And realistically, if I want to, I'll probably just take it off now.
Or if it's too hard. And we can sand it down later and make sure that it's a perfect fit if there's any expansion.
There it is. See? Go ahead and set that back in there. Give it a push forwards, just in case. But yeah, look at that. Form fit. So now we will not have any air leak from that area. That's not going to leak in or out. So there you go. Little tutorial about how you seal up boost leaks in a TBI using some SteelStick. Thanks for watching.